So we have new stock here. These are our new arrivals. You asked for it, and here it is. So this is the HP EliteBook Folio 9480m. As you can see, I'm going to be unboxing it. So you see what it looks like inside. It's so clean as new. So this is the charger. And here, this is the battery. Very clean. And here is the laptop itself. Very clean and sleek. You can see the sticker. So beautiful. It has a Keypad Light. It has a 500 gig HDD storage capacity, which is upgradable to 2 TB, and 8 GB RAM, which is also upgradable. So this is it. So I'll be opening the second carton too as well.